Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MENACE game sound or audio issues. So if you're facing any kind of sound or audio issues in the MENACE game, then here follow the steps to solve this issue. Solution 1. Steps to fix sound problem in MENACE. So on your PC, go to settings. On the left, click on system, then click on sound, scroll down, and then under advanced click on more sound settings, and then select your default speaker, for example speakers, and then click on properties, and then go to the spatial sound, and here select the off and then hit apply. OK, and then check if the sound or audio problem has been solved or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonics for headphones, then hit apply. OK, and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Solution 2. Step to fix audio problem in MENACE if you are using the Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device, and then click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the MENACE game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using any headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals devices, so disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve sound or audio issues in MENACE game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.